Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be highlighting Boho rugs, also known as Bohemian rugs. Now, when we talk about Bohemian rugs, generally we're referencing rugs that reflect a free-spirited artistic lifestyle. They can have vibrant pops of color like this Moroccan rug and generally carry certain tribal motifs. Sometimes they can also have floral motifs as well. Now, this is a different type of Bohemian rug. This is actually a Turkish prayer rug, and you can tell by the directional pattern that it has here. This falls within the Bohemian style because of the bright colors that it incorporates with the reds, the oranges, and the certain yellows that you see around here. The only thing is that it's not necessarily tribal in the design. You see a lot of floral motifs going around the border. However, the weave has a little bit more of a coarse tribal weave that you see. Now we've got a really special rug here. This is a unique type of Bohemian rug. It's called a Caucasian vernet. It's of a sumac weave, more of a flat weave, and this is a rug that is actually gifted during marriage. So as you can see, you have the two halves that are joined together and stitched right here in the center. One side is supposed to represent the man, the other the woman. They join together in marriage, and these rugs are generally kept well because they are gifts, and along the sides they have these loops here so they can be hung on walls. Now this Bohemian runner is of a Turkish Uşak design, and it has some really nice tribal motifs with pops of pink and purple going down throughout the rug. And last but not least is this beautiful Persian Shiraz rug woven by the Qashqai tribe. And as you can see, it has these beautiful vibrant tones that are indicative of the free-spirited and artistic vibe behind Bohemian styles. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on our website at rouzatirugs.com, where we feature some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.